วัสดีค่ะ Today we are at North Point.
We've been here before, huh?
We've been here before, but this is a nice unit, nice view, high floor.
Check out the view here. I just saw it and it looks awesome.
Awesome, let's go. Let's see everything happening.
Yeah, this is a view right here.
You can see the garden,
Uh,
very nice garden.
we're very high up.
Yep.
What floor is this?
29.
29th floor, yeah. Nice view.
Mm-hmm.
Get the ocean. And in front of here, this is the pool man, right?
Pullman, yeah, Pullman and restaurant out there.
They have a beach club, right?
Yep. And the glass house, I think the glass house just walked.
To the left, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you got some stuff here.
Very nice view.
Yeah.
And I think it's good for if you have like kid.
Oh, why?
Look, the
Oh,
balcony.
it's a little high, huh?
Yeah, little high.
Well, that's better. That's better.
Yeah.
Oh, we have the washing machine behind you.
Washing machine behind me.
Yeah, perfect.
Big balcony and balcony set.
Yeah, we have a lot of space here.
And you can exit the bedroom to balcony to bedroom.
Oh, there's a door here. Okay.
Yeah.
And that's the bedroom in there. Okay. And yeah, we got a little balcony set here. Pretty good.
To see sunset.
And drink your beer right here, right? And watch the sunset.
That's your favorite.
Yeah, drink your beer watching the sunset. It's the best.
Okay, guys. This is a living area.
Yeah, you got a couch
Yeah,
here.
couch, coffee table, and big screen TV.
Included, right?
Included, yeah. Everything here included.
Perfect.
Except for me. Include me too. Okay. Next is a dining
Dining table here, yeah.
table with a pusher. I like the glass.
Yeah, it's a nice glass table. 4 chairs.
Pushers.
Perfect for a family, right?
The kitchen here is a built-in.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, built-in.
I was going to ask where the fridge was, yeah, but it's built in, huh?
Yeah, built-in.
Cool. Freezer down.
Freezer down, yeah.
Okay. Microwave.
Microwave.
Gotta have that.
Storage.
Oh, yeah, well, a lot of storage here.
Storage and above too.
All storage.
4 burners.
Oh, you love that, right? 4 burners?
Yeah, I love 4 burners. Come with hood. See?
Yeah. And what is this?
Seems like a wall, right?
Yeah.
It's not.
Yeah, well, a lot of storage, huh?
Storage.
That's a ton of storage. And we got more over here, right?
Yep. Tony can put the aquarium stuff
Yeah.
and the
breaker, yeah.
Yeah, breaker.
Yeah, you got a lot of storage here.
Let's go check the bedroom.
All right, let's check it out. Oh, that's a big bed.
Yeah, big bed. King size bed.
King size. Yes, it's huge. Oh, and what is this? You get a nice view, huh?
Nice view.
Straight from the bed.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. Yeah, you got a super nice view again. It's nice.
From your bedroom.
Yeah. All right. Cool. So this sliding door opens, and then this door opens here too as well to the balcony.
Yeah, to
All
the
right.
balcony. And if you have more stuff to show,
More storage. Yeah.
more storage. I like this.
It's a lot of closet, huh? Oh, that's nice.
Nice closet.
Yeah. A ton of space.
Yeah.
And somehow I think you're gonna be able to fill it all up, right? It won't take you very long.
You know that.
Yeah. You and all your clothes and your things, right?
Girls.
Girls, yeah. Oh, here we have the restroom, huh?
Restroom, yeah.
Shower to the right.
Shower and toilet. Sink.
Oh, I like the mirror. Oh, that's awesome. Huh?
It's cute.
No, only that one there, huh?
Only one. It's another one.
Yeah. That's pretty, I bet you this one opens this way, I bet. Yeah.
Oh,
Cool. All right. Got a lot of storage
nice.
down below too as well.
Storage.
And toilet in the back.
Toilet and bed.
All right. So tell us more about this unit, Beebee.
So this unit, 65 square meter, one bedroom, ocean view, on 29th floor. The selling price is 10 million.
10 million baht.
10 million baht. And also rented out. Rental price for 1 year lease, 45,000 baht.
All right. It's not a bad price for this area.
It's not a bad.
And you're in a great building here too.
Great building, great view, and convenient. Also, you get big space.
Yeah. And you get the amazing view. And it's super nice. I think for the price, yeah, it's perfect. If you have like even a small family.
Yeah. For more family.
Yeah.
For your little kid.
All right, so let's go check out the pool and the gym and parking.
Let's go.
All right. So we're now on the 24th floor,
24th floor, Sky Lounge.
and the Sky Lounge has a pool, huh?
Yeah. Swimming pool behind me and jacuzzi tub.
Jacuzzi tub. Oh
you
yeah,
call it?
yeah, jacuzzi tub.
Jacuzzi tub, yeah.
Yeah. You put the bubbles on, right?
Bubble on it. See the ocean.
Yeah.
Relax.
Have fun, right?
Have fun.
Yeah, you get the whole view here. So what kind of stuff goes on over here, huh?
What stuff going on?
Yeah. I don't know. You tell me.
Sunbed.
Sunbed. Yeah, sunbed.
Sunbed.
Okay.
Don't change purpose on this bed.
Okay, I won't. All right, so this way to the gym.
Yeah. Ready to gym. Let's go check the sauna.
All right. So here's the sauna.
Yep.
Yeah, it's a pretty good size.
Oh. No. I like to smell the wood inside here.
Yeah. It's nice.
You killed me.
Someone has a cute bag on, huh? What does it say on there? Happy? Happy, huh? But yeah, it's a pretty cool Sky Lounge. Still sweating? So we were in Tower B here, right?
We are in Tower B, and we will walk through the garden to Tower A to another swimming pool and beach.
All right, let's go check it out. There's a pool. And then down this way we have beach access.
With the sunbed
Yeah, the sunbeds, yeah.
and play.
Oh, yeah, I remember last time we were here, we were playing here.
You remember the swing?
Yeah, I remember.
They changed now.
Oh, I got better swings.
Yep. And here's the
Yeah.
exit.
That's all you got?
สวัสดีค่ะ and they have security guard in this way too.
Yeah.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Okay.
Wongamad Beach.
It's popular now, huh? Yeah, I remember last time it was empty.
I'm back.
You want to wear your high heels in the sand?
No.
Oh, and then Glass House was over here, right?
That's all.
Yeah, I remember now. It's been a while, but I remember. So the parking here is pretty good.
The parking building in front the gate. when you drive to that one.
Oh, okay.
Drive to park,
Yeah.
and that elevator you use when you
Oh,
come down.
okay. You got a lot of parking here then.
Uh-huh.
Now, have you been able to park your truck inside it with no problem?
Yeah,
Yeah.
no problem.
All right, guys. If she could park her truck here, that means there's a lot of parking. A lot of space for parking, I mean.
Okay. My truck 5 in this building, so
Yeah.
you guys 5.
That's a test right there.
Yeah. This is a visitor area.
Oh, you got visitor parking.
Yeah, visitor parking, and on the second floor for residents.
And you got to have the sticker in your car.
Yep.
All right, cool. And then motorbike to the right.
Yeah.
All right.
That too.
Up there too? Okay. So we have a lot of parking.